Chipotle's limited time Chipotle honey chicken has had everyone obsessed. But what if I told you the secret to making it even better at home? Let's get started by making Chipotle's honey Chipotle chicken. All right, we are going to start with the key ingredient, Chipotle and adobo sauce. You're going to mix this with garlic, honey, and all of these spices. You're going to whisk this marinade together very well and add in your chicken thighs. When you are finished marinating your chicken thighs, which takes about 2 hours, be sure to reserve some of the sauce. Now you're going to cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes on a grill that's a medium-high heat. You want to make sure your temperature is at 165 degrees. Let rest for 5 minutes. Chop it up. Now what's the real secret? Cook the chicken in the marinade for just a bit until it all heats up completely through and is safe to eat. Then build out your bowls and enjoy. If you love copycat recipes, be sure to come to copycat.com where we have thousands of copycat recipes for you.